When Breezy Pio Fawoyash go open, President Donald Trump talk say America go release the full report to show where this corona from start gone. He been don talk say na for laboratory for who am the thing start. Dr. Anthony Fauci, the director of the United States National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease, talk say coronavirus no start from any laboratory for China. United Kingdom say dem believe say na natural by nature from animal na im corona take start. Lagos state government say they don get shortage of reagents wey be mixture wey dem dey take use as chemical arrangement for this corona matter. Abuja sef talk say kits don go down well dem no get kits again, e hard to get. Nothing less than 10 doctors don get corona for the Aminu Kano Teaching Hospital as the chairman of the Association of Resident Doctors of the hospital, Dr. Abubakar Nagona, talk am. Hey, God help us.